Oh, ich seh's schon. Playboy Joe kann auch schon in der Hosen. Der möchte diesen Train umlegen lassen, aber das darf man nicht. Ja, und weiter. Jetzt fahren wir wieder mal zu Patrick, oder? Zu dem verrückten Irren. Ja, geh weiter. Wie gehen wir denn da raus? Und mittendrin, da kann man mal wieder eine Polizeimission machen. Wird die Gruppe mal wieder ein Polizeiauto klauen. Der Roman.
Cousin, I have bought the present.
You bought it or I did?
Nico, I'm offended. I've got us an apartment in Algonquin. What did I say when you got here? Penthouse. Model on each arm.
And you have paid for this place? It wasn't so long ago that your debts got you kidnapped by the Russian mob.
That was a cold streak. Now I'm hot, cousin. Hotter than the model will be bedding. I can't lose.
Roman, we have spoken about your gambling.
Wait until you see the new place, NB. You'll change your song. Who was I gonna lose there?
Ja gut. Jetzt habe ich ein neues Versteck, gell? Weil der Roman das Geld schon wieder vom Fenster aus wirft. Die richtige Einstellung. Ja, pass auf. Weil gerade damit bloß ist, mache ich mich wenigstens nicht strafbar. Ja, dieser Patrick muss der ausgerechnet da drum wohnen. Sag mal, gibt's da rum ein Klamottengeschäft? Schon, gell? Aber auch kein vernünftiges. Moment. Ich mein, ich stehe doch auf die Teilenklamotten. Jetzt hol die Kohle hopp. Da geht die schon. Der Dimitri.
Nico, it's Dimitri.
I have nothing to say to you.
I nearly ran into your cousin the other day. My friends were hanging out with him. The party got busted up, though, before I got there.
I wish you had been there. We could have had some fun.
Not as much fun as I would have had with Roman, believe me.
Ja gut, der ist befällig, gell?
So the plan was they were gonna hide the diamonds in the Queen's ass.
Oh, hey, Nico.
Hey, Kate.
Get your fucking hands off my fucking sister, boy.
We're talking, not having casual sex, Patrick. I pray after the amount of practice you've had, you'd know the difference.
Sure, I know the difference. One leaves you feeling sad and empty and alone, and the other's casual sex.
And I'm quite sure you and Mr. Nico here will have fun on your play date. Hey! Coming, Ma! You boys play nice now.
For sure.
Hey! Okay!
Oh, we're gonna play real nice. They're clean as a fucking whistle. One previous owner, safely driven, ready for action. We got an opportunity, my boy.
Yep, fortune favors the brave.
Gotta make hay while the sun shines.
So is you down, boy? Or is you out?
Down for what?
Down for robbing a thief.
Robin Hood.
Exactly, Robin fucking Hood.
Who are you going to rob?
The fucking mafia, boy.
Is the money good? What's the risk?
Well, the risk is we all die a very slow and painful death. And the money is good, very good indeed.
So you in, big guy? Or we're gonna have to kill you.
Well, since you put it that way, I mean...
Right.
Good.
All right, all right.
Let's
Yeah,
go.
let's do this.
Can you get us a car, man? I'm afraid these two idiots can't drive for shit.
Fuck you, Packy.
Yeah, fuck you.
Jetzt brauche ich einen viertürigen Wagen. Haben wir sowas? Pass auf. Herr Kollege, steigen Sie aus. Und verpiss dich. Und nimm der Alte mit. Die kann ich nämlich nicht brauchen. Ja, ist Depp, steigt nicht ein.
Take us out to the waste management plant under the Algonquin Bridge on Colony Island, big man.
Und dann fahren wir zur Mülldeponie. Geil.
A mafia-controlled waste management plant?
You fucking guessed it. It's an Ancelotti operation. Ray tipped us off about a big payoff they just got. A fat cash payoff.
Enchiladas, huh? I can't tell none of those Watt families apart. Enchiladas, Gambinos, Pecorinos.
It's the fucking Pegorinos, man. We're working for them. Pecorino's a type of cheese. Pegorinos is a bunch of Guido gangsters out of Alderney.
They're all mafia, though?
Of course they are. Cosa Nostra and all that shit. Our family used to be bigger than all them mafia families put together. Back in the day, that is.
Not this shit again. I heard this speech a million times. McCreary's ran the city. People were scared to say their name, let alone come near their place in purgatory. Life was great. We were in charge.
It's fucking true. I'd like to hear you tell Gerald that it's a boring story. My brother wouldn't take too kindly to that now, would he? You know the purgatory is called what it is because people were so scared of the McCrearys? Did you know that, Nico?
It's called that because people found McCreary's stories so fucking boring. Listening to them was like being in purgatory.
Fuck you, Gordon. I'll fucking come back there and kick your fucking ass in a minute.
I hear that Francis McCreary is your brother.
Fucking Frankie, my brother. He may have a badge, but I tell you for a fact, he's as crooked as the rest of us McCrearys. More so. At least we ain't fucking hypocrites. Kate's the only decent one.
I can believe that.
You know Frankie, do you? I got a story for you if you do.
Another fucking story.
Shut up, Gordon! So, Nico, when Francis and Gerald was growing up, Frankie becomes an altar boy. He swears to this day that he wanted to serve the Lord. Jerry knows the truth, though. He only put on that cassock so he could pocket the change in the collection plate. Fact. That's Francis, down to a fucking T. I don't even know if he realizes what a crook he is.
That sounds like the Francis McCreary I met.
I bet. Model community leader, my ass.
You're just worried he'll start clamping down on you, ain't you, Paggy?
I'd like to see him try it. Not gonna happen with the things Jerry knows.
Oh, ich seh schon. Die ganze McCreary-Familie ist der größte Ruß. Alles Verbrecher. Sind wir mal bald da, ha? Ach, da vorne.
Here we are, boys. Moment of fucking truth.
Das Blöde ist, meine Weste ist im Arsch, gell?
Alright, boys. If Ray is correct, then the money's going to be kept in the office in the main building. And there should be a boat docked out back for the getaway. Alright, it's up and over the fence. Nico, stick fucking close to
Nein. Ich stehe nicht auf Typen. Dann nehme ich gleich mal Dr. Kalaschnikow. Ja, warte mal. Ich bin noch nicht mehr drüben. Und sie schießen schon. Ja, was ist denn da los? Ja, pass mir auf. Das haben wir ja gleich. Ein Osterei. Folgt das. Da fliegt er. Richtung Europa. Ja gut, wie schaut's denn aus, Buben? Ach so, ich warte, das Ding rechts. Geh nicht mehr da. Jetzt hätte ich gemeint, da ist mehr los. Dabei sind gerade ein paar Hamperer. Wir gehen rein. Okay. Es geht voran. Ja so. Dürfen wir wieder ihren Trottel spielen. Einen hab ich schon. Hey Bum, warte mal. Ich hab ein Ei. Oh oh. Ja, Kruzifix. Das Ei ist nach hinten losgegangen. Ja gut. Ich hab mir ein bisschen die Knochen verstaucht. Aber gerade ein bisschen, gell? Das heißt, die ganze Scheiße nochmal von vorn. Pass auf, wir fahren aber da vorbei. Da hat mir ganz schön von den Socken gehauen, ha? Da die Mann. Ja, da steht da was. Nehmen wir den da. Steigt der Eisdeppen. Zur Mülldeponie. Jetzt fahr ich erst einmal zum Ding. Zum Waffenshop.
First you take me to a fish market and now a waste plant?
It looks like you ain't too pleased with the date you've been taking them on, Patrick. You gotta learn how to treat a man right.
Shut it, Gordo. Ray's giving us a tip-off about a big payment the Ancelotti's just got. We're all gonna do real well out of this.
These places are messed up. I think this Ray guy's fucking with you.
No one's fucking with me, Nico. This is how things work here. The whole city's turning into a fucking theme park. Only places an honest criminal can make any...
Halt mal die Schnauze. Die quatschen mir die ganze Zeit voll, gell? Grüß dich, Kumpel. War ein bisschen Nachschub. Und eine Weste. Aber ich muss zugeben, die Kohle verbrennt ganz schön. Deine Angelegenheit. Ich muss eindeutig meine Preise erhöhen. Versteig her, du Trottel. So mal, ich kann's zu Fuß gehen.
They're fucking with you, Packy. They're laughing at you.
You think they're having a laugh with Gerald, Gordo? You think even these Alderney Guidos would have the balls to do that?
Them Guidos use you for what they like. If the peg asked Gerald to wipe his ass, he probably would.
What's that say about you then, Gordo, if you're taking orders from Packy?
That don't mean shit.
Fucking with us or not, these jobs pay the bills, don't they?
The only thing they're doing for Gordon is keeping the bookies off his back for another week. How much you lose on that swingers game last week?
That shit was rigged. I got screwed in the 9th damn inning. A guy who bats 150, it's a 3-run homer. Bullshit.
Don't go dropping too much green after this. If the Ancelotti's here, we've been spending it up, they might finger us for this job. If that happens, the bookies will be the least of your worries.
Don't trouble yourself about me, Packy. I'm sitting on my money. Not gonna throw it all the bookies like Gordon over here. We're saving it up, so...
I don't give a shit what you're doing with your cut. All I care about is you holding up your end on the job.
Shouldn't save too much, Michael. You never know. You might get hit by a bus tomorrow.
Nah, not St. Michael here.
My cousin, Almond, he has this gambling problem as well. Can't have $1 in his pocket without spending it in the card game.
Are these his dollars he's spending or yours?
What's mine is his. We are cousins.
Wir wenden jetzt die gleiche Taktik an, aber keine Granaten mehr im Gebäude. Sonst fliege ich wieder durch die Gegend. So, mir geht dazu. Ja, weiter Taxi.
Here we are, boys. Moment of fucking truth. All right, boys. If Ray is correct, then the money's going to be kept in the office in the main building, and there should be a boat docked out back for the getaway. All right, it's up and over the fence. Don't go too fucking far, Nico.
Ja gut. Gleich mal wieder über den Zaun. Weg, Kollege. Mann, wird ernst. So, schmeiß ich gleich mal wieder die Granate. Jawohl. Abflug, seht das. Wen ist da? Das war ein neuer. Den habe ich noch nicht kennt. So, guck mal, da schreien sie wohl. Ja, die gehen nicht schön. Die blöden Gastanks. Was ist der Vorarbeiter? Ich meine, war er. Jetzt ist Arbeit los. Ja gut, ich gehe voran. Jetzt kommt noch ein.
Hey, Packy!
Hat er Schusslinie. Keine Granaten. Den Gedanken habe ich schon wieder gehabt.
Take a look around, buddy. We got you. Let's go. Come on.
I got something in my sights.
Und wenn mir die Deutschland geht irgendwo hinten aus, oder? Eigentlich. Wo ist das gegangen? Nirgends. Wer schießt da? Was ist der Vorarbeiter? Im Vorarbeiterbüro. Sag mal, die hängen alle umeinander, schön. Klick, da sieht das. Bye bye. Die Schicht ist vorbei, Freunde.
Nico! Okay, kids, I got the
Bin ich Jesus,
shit!
bin der Bayer.
Not the only ones after it. There's gotta be a
Trifft ihn mit dem Päckchen vor der Deponie. Wo ist vorne? So, wir können die hier. Ja, da sind sie auch. Und der da gehört zu mir, oder was? So mal. Jetzt muss ich, da ist ich. Genau für das. Jawohl.
Gordon, Michael, you hold these boys back while me and Nico make a swim for it with the money.
I don't know how my bookie's gonna be about wet notes.
Ja, Kumpel, wohin? Flüchte. Er flüchtet oben. Dann flüchte noch. Gottes Willen. Da bin ich nicht gehaut. Wo ist das Boot? Wo ist da draußen? Was tut's denn da? Der wäre nicht rausgeschwimmen.
Can you drive a boat? You got to this fine country in a boat, didn't you, Nico?
That don't mean I can drive one. Fuck
Oh, der
it,
Quatsch nicht lang.
I'll give it a try.
Bringt Pack in Sicherheit. Und wer bringt mich in Sicherheit?
That was fucking beautiful. We did ourselves proud. My brother Jerry's gonna be fucking ecstatic.
Providing the Ancelottis don't figure out it was us, they ripped them off.
Don't fucking worry about it. Let's figure it was another one of the 5 families. Us McCreary's are under the fucking radar nowadays. It ain't a problem.
I hope you're right, for my sake.
Shut up and think about the money. If that don't work, think about my sister. I tell you though, you're only getting your hands on one of those things, you maniac, and it ain't gonna be my Katie.
I'll think about the money then.
What a We did it. Top of the fucking world. Here's your share. Don't go spending it in the Italian restaurants.
I'll see you soon, Becky.
Jetzt habe ich 8000 verdient. Respekt. Den Preis los ich mir eingehen.